Well, this is actually a strategic trade fair for us. Italy has actually reconfirmed its participation in this context, which is a strategic context for us. So we have a large number of Italian companies. We have exactly 39 companies attending this trade fair, and this testifies to the importance of this event in Russia. Russia is for us a strategic and utmost important market for us. We actually suffered because of the pandemic. That was objectively a problem for all of us. Nevertheless, this is a crucial market to us. So we are the second supplier with 1.2 billion euros in exportations into Russia with a market share of 7.5%. So I have to say that Russia represents undoubtedly a strategic market to us, and we firmly believe that Italian participation will be even more important in the forthcoming years.